Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 7 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we will begin with the customization of this mode and then I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find display and brightness. And as you can see right here, we've got the eye comfort, so let's enter, and before we will be able to customize it, we have to turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So here you've got the switcher, which will allow you to change the color temperature, the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left you can make it much cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. I'm not really sure if you can see it properly on the camera, but trust me, it is almost orangish, I would say. So of course you can set it just like you want to, which option is most comfortable for you. And under it we've got also the display effects, so we've got the color option, and it is right now turned on. As you can see, we can still see the colors even if the screen is yellow, or we can set black and white. So if you prefer to set the monochromatic option, simply tap on it, and as you can see, everything will be displayed in the black, white and gray colors. But I personally will stick with the colors. What's more, we've got the schedule option, which is quite cool. After tapping on it, you can see that we can pick the custom option, and thanks to this we can freely manually pick the start time and end time. So let me begin at maybe 9 o'clock and finish around 12. Remember to tap on save, and as you can see, the screen is still with the eye comfort mode on, which means it is of course because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn it off, so keep the option, keep the manual mode, let's say. And basically this is the whole customization of this feature. So now I can show you much faster access to it. All you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar fully, and as you can see, we've got the eye comfort icon, which is right now turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, the screen will immediately get back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way just by tapping on this icon. So actually this is it. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your OPPO Reno 7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.